Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a 15-minute core workout with a resistance band. To start, I just want to say that if you like this video, to please give it a thumbs up and let me know that you like it, and also to subscribe to my channel so you get alerted of future workout videos as well. All you need for this workout is yourself, a yoga mat, and a resistance band. And if you've done my workouts on my channel, you probably know exactly where this band is from, and it's from my own small business called Body Rebel, which you can shop down below on Amazon or my website. But you can use any resistance band that you have on hand, or if you don't feel ready to use a resistance band, you can absolutely still use your body weight and get a challenging workout in. But I highly recommend that if you do have a band, you try it out with the resistance band. The details of this workout are we're gonna do 7 exercises for 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. We're gonna go through 2 rounds of that with a 1-minute break in between the rounds. It's a quick workout, so you can do it on its own when we have 15 minutes to spare, or if you wanna do it in tandem with one of the other workouts on my channel. One last thing before we get into the workout, I wanna give you a tip, and that is to constantly make sure that you are creating tension with the resistance band. That is the whole point of using it, so if you aren't creating tension, then you might as well just be using your body weight. So for example, there's one exercise where I have it around my hands and I'm constantly pushing out. And same thing when it's around my knees, constantly pushing out. So really make sure that you focus on that, focus on bracing your core, and focus on drawing in and making sure that you breathe through the core movements and don't hold your breath. And with that said, we are going to get right into the 15-minute workout. You got this. Thanks for joining me for this core workout today.